Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore FedEx integration with ShippingEasy step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the ShippingEasy login page. Enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Select integrations from the drop-down. Locate the FedEx integration option in the list. Click on Manage next to the FedEx integration. If the integration is currently disconnected, look for the Reconnect button. Click the Reconnect button. You will be prompted to enter your FedEx API credentials. Retrieve your FedEx API credentials from the FedEx Developer Portal. Enter your FedEx account number, key, and password in the required fields. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. After filling in the information, click the Save button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the integration was successful. Once confirmed, you will see the FedEx integration status is connected. You can now proceed to use FedEx services within ShippingEasy. Test the integration by creating a shipping label. Verify that the label processes correctly without errors. If any issues arise, revisit the settings to ensure all information is correct. Your FedEx integration with ShippingEasy is now fully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.